I'm Ashley, and you're at home with Floor & Decor. With so many things to choose from, it's really important that you know what it is you want for your space, how you want it to function, how you want it to look. I've been living in this condo for about 5 years now, and I'm looking to sell it in the next year or so. And one of the most obvious spaces in the home and the most outdated was the kitchen. It had a really dark granite countertop. The floors were kind of older. They had gotten a little bit dirty. So when I decided to redo the kitchen, I wanted to focus on the floors, the counters, and the backsplash. First thing I picked was my Pure Glass Subway backsplash in wool. So I started with the backsplash because that's one of the more visible areas of the kitchen, but I also wanted to use a material like glass. Glass has a lot of reflection in it. When I went to look at the countertops, I wanted something much lighter than what I had in here before. Knowing that I have a high variation floor with a lot of changes in color and striation, and that I want to pick granite for my countertops, as a natural stone, it also has a lot of variation in it. Luckily though, Floor & Decor has so many options. I was able to find something that actually had a much softer look and went beautifully with my backsplash and my floors. Visit our website or our store and flip through our inspiration catalog. Take advantage of our free design services. Spend time on Pinterest and on our website. There's so much out there. Think about your style and your function, and you'll be ready to get started.